Right, the next guy is James Addison from Skyscanner, who I said earlier they're based in Edinburgh. He couldn't actually make it down today, but in the spirit of everyone just trying something and seeing what happens, he did send a video late last night. So the quality it's not HD, but I just wanted to see it and to show our appreciation to James that he did take the effort to send us something. So this is James Addison from Skyscanner.
Hi everyone, my name is James. I'm a data developer at Skyscanner, based up here in Edinburgh, and I'm also one of the artists who attended the Tnooz travel hack event at the THack in London last week. Unfortunately, I can't make it down to the event today, so I thought I'd create this video and send it along in my step, since hopefully some of the stuff I've been working on since the THack the other week will be of interest to some of you. Now, to give a bit of background about the idea I had, which I'm calling Advent, I used to work quite heavily in the online advertising part of the Skyscanner business, and that involved a lot of receiving advert creative from clients, loading it onto the site, managing and developing advertising systems with reviews, that kind of stuff. So I saw a lot of that process from end to end. But more recently, in the last couple of weeks, I've been booking a few trips with some friends around Europe. We're going to see some concerts in Berlin and Budapest. And what this got me thinking was that from the event organiser's point of view, if they're organising a large event, they have a location in their mind and they've got some very definite fixed dates for that event. Now, from a travel perspective, this is great because once you can reach your customers, you know where they are, you know where they want to be. So how about creating some kind of widget-style advertising for this? That's exactly what I've done with Advent. So the way Advent works is it's an MPU, standard MPU sized widget. Any event organiser can copy and paste the code and add it to their site. And what it does is, when a user sees it, which can be controlled through your standard advertising system, you can target it like with any other advert in it. When that user views the widget, it will perform a geo-IP operation to reverse look up the location of the user down to a quite specific city level. From there, the widget has access to where the user is physically located, where the event organiser's event is located, and the dates of that event. Now, I'm sure this is pretty few thoughts in a lot of minds. That's basically the magic set of things that you need for flight search. It's a pair of points, origin, destination, and a pair of dates, departure and return. So what the widget does is it uses the Expedia API and the Edinburgh Flights API of it. This also hits into some of the Skyscanner internal API. So this is quite unobtrusive. It sits in, as I mentioned, with standard MPU unit size. For the event organiser, it's great. It's a very easy way to promote travel to that event. Hopefully get a few more people thinking about flights, finding out what the kind of prices are like. And for users, hopefully it's a win as well, because they're already looking at the site for this event, which has the content they're looking for, and they may well be thinking of planning a trip there, booking a flight and accommodation. So that's the rough idea. And here's a little example of the Advent unit in place on the website. So you can see that there's tabs for choosing the flights and accommodation.
I can assure you I did meet James 10 days ago. He does exist, he does come out of that room every now and again. So for effort and also because he's not here, can we have a nice round of applause for James?